Okay, it's time for me to bring you up to speed on what's going on with the 86 Corvette. The most recent thing I've done to it is got the lights together. And if you've noticed, I got the front end back on. I got the front nose back on. And turned out pretty nice. I mean, it's nice and snug up against there now. Since this isn't the front end that came on the car, I had to do a little bit of customizing to make the front end work properly and make it look nice and lined up. So this light here, when I tested it, when I put the battery in and tested this light, it wouldn't flip over. These are those lights that flip over and turn on. The light itself came on, but the motor didn't flip the whole assembly over. So what I found was the wire that goes to the motor of this headlight assembly had a broken wire going to it. It was all corroded and it was cracked and it wasn't connecting. So what I did was I spliced that wire back together with butt connectors, and I actually extended the other wire as well so it'd be the same length. But when I tested it last time, it worked fine, so I think I got it repaired correctly. What else we've done is these amber bulbs in these fog light assembly. I went ahead and replaced both of those. The one on this side wasn't working after I put the front bumper cover back on. So what I did was I pulled the light bulb out through the access panel on the bumper support, and I found that there was a cracked wire in that also. So what I did was I went ahead and fixed that wire, and then I went ahead and replaced the amber bulb in the front fog light / turn signal assembly. I also noticed that there was a short in the wire for the blinker. So what I did was I fixed that also. I really couldn't find a short, but I wiggled it around and made it work, so I guess we just have to wait and see if it'll continue to work properly. Okay. This light here wasn't working when I checked all the lights last time. And come to find out, the peanut bulb that goes into that assembly right there isn't the right connection to make it fit snugly in there. So I had to do some modification to make that light fit in there, and now it works fine. Same with this one back here. This one's a license plate light. The license plate light bulb assembly, where you stick it in when you're changing the bulb, it's different than the one that came factory on this car, so it doesn't fit in there right. So I have to do some modification to this plug to fit in that license plate light fixture to make it work and last properly. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and snug up a couple more things, and I'm going to go ahead and fix this tail lamp, the license plate light assembly. I'm going to go ahead and repair that and get a light bulb in there so it's secure. And then I'll go ahead and show you with the hood down how all the lights work. Okay, we're getting ready to test the lights on this car. We believe we have them all repaired. Each and every one of them should light up now. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the switch, see what happens. I'm going to turn on the key also so I can make sure I check the blinkers to see if the blinkers are working in the proper position. There we go. There we go. That's looking good. High beams work. There we go. Go ahead and turn the blinker on and see how it works. Okay, we have marker light here. We have headlight open. We have fog light as well as running light. And we have blinkage on the blinker. Yeah, I think I know what I did. There was a loop that holds a hose on there, and it was disconnected. So I went ahead and connected it up, and I guess I connected it up in the wrong spot because it held that light from opening up. But that looks good. Got the marker light, got the side light that comes on. Let's go see what's going on back here. Okay, my marker light's still working good. Got my blinkers working. And I actually have some license plate light now. Yes, that was kind of funky. There was light in there that was working that had nothing to do with the license plate light, but it was on. So I went ahead and took that light bulb out of there, wiggled the other one up here, and it made it work. So we have lights on this bad boy. She's safe to go down the road now. Yes. We're looking good. And they close like they're supposed to. Right on. We're done with the lights.